Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to make box plots using Excel. I was told that you can't do box plots with Excel, but I've been doing it for years, and I'll show you how. So in your original sheet where you have Adriana and David's production numbers, go ahead and select, click and hold down and then let go. Select those. Right button, copy. Let's grab a different sheet. And let's go ahead and paste those right there. Now I want to put those in order. So I will select the ones that I want to put in order, select sort and filter. Let's go largest to smallest. We do not want to expand the selection. Let's continue. Okay, let's do that same thing for David's. How many shirts he made on each day. And let's go largest to smallest on his. Continue with the current selection, sort. So the first quartile is 25% of the days were below this many shirts. Well, 25% of 12, these were 12 days that he made shirts, or she made shirts. So 6 would be right in the middle, 6 days. So let's take the lower 6 days and cut that in half, and then we have 25% below that, 25% above that up to the 50% mark, 25% up above that to the 75% mark. So let's concentrate on this lower 3 here. So we want to cut a line right in between 38 and 42. The number that is right in between 38 and 42 is 40. That is called our first quartile. There are 4 quarters in a dollar, so you break it up into 4 parts, and that number for that group of data is 40. If I do that same number for David, it will be between 48 and 49, so there's 3 days where he made less than that, less than 49, but the number that's right in between 48 and 49 is 48.5. The high, I just go to the top of that list, is 75. The high for David is 63. The low for Adriana is 31. The low for David is 42. The third quartile, well, let's go up to see if there's 3 days where they made more than right across here. So halfway between 58 and 65. We can just add them up. Okay. And then we can divide that by 2. Oops, let's divide that by 2. 61.5 is the third quartile. 25% of the data is higher than that, or 75% is lower than that. And right here, that line cuts through between 52 and 52, so our third quartile for David will be 52. Now to graph that, we change these to dates. Let's say 4, 7, 15, and 4, 7, 8, 15. So let's graph those. Insert. See this spiderweb looking chart? In that group, there's this kind of chart. Open, high, low, close. It's used for stock market, but it creates a box plot. Since we've done the quartile instead of the open and close, then all we have to do is change these dates back to names. And it changes those here. We don't need those series, but we do need axes titles. And this one will be I'm going to delete that one because we have Adriana. And this will be give it some label like that. Let's go ahead and make those large. If I go to home, click on that, then in the text font size, I can increase the size of that, stretch that out so it's readable. Then I can right button, copy, and paste that to my Word document report to back up my decision for the winner. So that is Boxplots using Excel, doing what is impossible.